What's the meaning of clinic? Clinic. Clinic.
Clinic. Clinic. The word clinic can have a few different meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to a medical facility where patients can receive treatment and advice from doctors and other healthcare professionals. It can also refer to a place where a particular type of medical treatment or service is offered, such as a dental clinic or a fertility clinic. Additionally, clinic can be used more broadly to describe any type of specialized facility or program, such as a writing clinic or a basketball skills clinic.